Welcome back, my subscribers and new viewers. I usually don't do so many videos, want to do like one a week, but got a little nice surprise in the mail today. The new month of Mystery Tackle Box. I'm kind of curious what's in there also. Hasn't been open yet, so you're the first to see it. Let's go ahead. I also did find pocket knives. No, I don't have to use butter knives or anything like that. I found a couple of my pocket knives. It's my Imperial camouflage. Really like it a lot. Alright, let's get going with this. And this is going to be our promotion for the month of June for the subscribers only. We're going to give away a mystery tackle box. Alright, let's get going here. Just like the last one, they give you your tips of the trade. They give you your links to follow the mystery tackle box channel. So another tips and tricks. Kind of funny, it says where do anglers poop? Same where I guess bears do. And in this one they actually show how to set up a Texas rig and a little bit about jig fishing. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's what this pamphlet's for. I'm definitely going to read that. I know how to set up Carolina rigs, but not Texas rigs. Same with this. It must be what's in the package today. It looks like it's a Strike Pro swing pop, an adrenaline bug, and a baby advantage jig. I don't know if that's in the box, but we're going to find out right now. Yeah, first of all, we got looks like a Fire Tiger Strike Pro crankbait, or jerkbait I should say. This is actually exactly what I'll probably be using for my fishing trip next week. It's topwater bait in bluegill color, and that's the lake that I fish. A lot of bluegill as far as the bait fish. Has metallic color, round bill, and telling me it's tournament grade. Let's see what else we got in this little box today. Of course, they give you a sticker. It says Catch Company. I'll put it up on my sign like I did with the rest. The camera's not quite as high, so you can't really see everything, but I'll try to set them lower. Make my sign, which I got from S.M.W. Thank you very much. Make my back drop a little better. Looks like this baby jig is from D&L Tackle. It's a Bradley Roy special. Looks like it's in more of a chartreuse type colors in there. Again, it looks like some bluegill. It's kind of like the bluegill topwater. Probably give that a try. I'll take it out of the package. You can get a little better look at it. Real nice quality. Nice quality weedless skirt on there. Let's see what else we got in here. We got some more stickies. This time they sent me a 3.0 offset, 3/0, 3.0. I'll open up again. It's a real nice quality worm hook. Again, one of these days I will set up some worms. I just kind of dropped a couple. Get those back thrown in there. What else we got? Looks like we got some more soft plastics. Lunker Hunt again. I don't know if these are the same color as last time, but these look like they're the watermelon color again. Let me open them up. Just a basic worm. What I'll just basically do with this, I think, is just hook it halfway through the body, so it kind of lays there like a real worm. What else we have in here is Pro Series XZ1 lures. I've seen these before, actually. I think Brandon Finnegan endorses these. I've seen him on Bassmaster Elite Series. Let's open up and see what we got here. Looks like they're blue metallic craw. Go right there. Nice swimtails on it. I think this right here I'll pair up with the jig that they sent last month. It's supposed to be my trailer. And again, on this one, they put the contest entry for the catch and win. Got to go to mysterytackle.com keeper, and has the see it. It has the measurement stick in inside the box. So that's this month's. The value there on this one, well, I think just like the last one, I think the real value is the top water. I think that's just like an $8 lure there, just alone. So again, for the month of June, this will be our drawing for the mystery box. At the end of May, I'll set up the link as I did for the Bass Pro Shop gift card to get in the drawing for the mystery tackle box. So just for subscribers, so make sure you subscribe and hit your notification button. We also got a couple tidbits of fun things coming up that I found out yesterday. I'm not going to mention his name, but he's from my area, and I reached out to him, and he fishes a lot of the Bassmasters Open, and he's trying to qualify for the Bassmaster Elite Series. And he's agreed to take me out on the water as soon as this quarantine and social distancing and all that kind of stuff gets over with. And again, he agreed to take me out on the water, so that should be fun. That should get some good footage there. Also, let's see here, what else did I find out? My GoPro will be here next week, so I'm definitely going to get out on the water. I'm not sure how successful I'll be, but we're going to give it a try to get away from this camera and doing the unboxing and that type of thing. So that's what we have for today. Again, I think it's a decent value again. I'll keep ordering them, and like I said, next month, again, it's one more time I'll say it, it's going to be the giveaway, and so please subscribe. So until next time, stay safe and practice catch and release.